हाय हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल माय डियर चिल्ड्रन। और आज के इस सेशन में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द चैप्टर द पोएम टेलीफोन कन्वर्सेशन फ्रॉम योर बुक रैप्सोडी। ओके, तो इसके एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस एक्सप्लेनेशन वीडियो ऑलरेडी चैनल पे है, जिन लोगों ने नहीं देखा है सो प्लीज़ आप वहाँ जाके उसको देखिए, आपके लिए बहुत बेनिफिशियल है। ओके, तो देखिए सबसे पहली बात है, जो ये शॉर्ट आंसर्स क्वेश्चंस होते हैं ना, आपको कितने वर्ड्स में लिखने होते हैं 100 to 150 वर्ड्स में। और ये बताना ज़रूरी है क्योंकि बहुत सारे बच्चे क्या करते हैं ना कि अगर उनको 100 to 150 वर्ड्स में लिखने होते हैं तो हर एक वर्ड्स को वो काउंट करते हैं। दैट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी एट ऑल। आप क्या करिए, एक्चुअली एग्जामिनर क्या करते हैं, आप जो भी आंसर्स लिखते हो उसके फर्स्ट लाइन के वर्ड्स को देखते हैं, फिर नंबर ऑफ़ लाइन्स काउंट करते हैं बेसिकली, वरना वो एक अंदाजे से देखते हैं कि हाँ आपने जो है 10 to 15 लाइन्स लिखा है, इसका मतलब कि आपने 100 वर्ड्स कंप्लीट कर दिया। तो बेसिकली आपको 12 to 15 लाइन्स लिखने होते हैं। ओके, सो लेट्स बिगिन विथ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। व्हाट इज़ द स्पीकर्स कन्फेशन? Why does he make such a confession? How is it received by the landlady? So answer is, the speaker's confession is that he belongs to Africa. Here the man sounds ironical, as the word confession is generally used with the revelation of something illegal. He makes such a confession because he knows that being from Africa reduces the prospects of his renting an accommodation belonging to a white lady. Full stop. After realizing the racial identity of the man, the lady turned silent for a while, and there is a long, awkward pause. The voice suddenly changed into lipstick coated, trying to make herself sound good and hide her real feelings of racism towards that man. Okay, let's move to question number 2. Question number 2 is, why is there silence after the speaker confesses that he is African? What is suggested by silence transmission? So answer is, there is silence to allow the lady to ponder over speaker's confession. Ponder means think. Okay, the landlady has a good breeding, comma, she seems to be under pressure on how to deal with a person of African origin. Full stop. The lady does not want to reveal her dislike and disapproval for dark colored people. The man's power of imagination enables him to visualize an apparently affluent and sophisticated British landlady on the other side of the phone. Thus, in her silence, the speaker hears a transmission from the landlady. Full stop. Let's move to question number 3. Question number 3 is, when the lady finally speaks after a pause, what does the speaker make out about the woman? Was he correct in his assessment? So answer is, to the speaker, the voice of the lady appears to be lipstick coated. That is, she is trying to make herself sound good, comma, to gloss over the deep racism and prejudice she has. Full stop. From her voice, the speaker imagines that she is carrying a cigarette holder that is gold rolled, meaning gold plated. Here it is symbolic of wealth and privilege she has. Full stop. The speaker finds that the landlady has a haughty, comma, aristocratic voice that displays the social and economic power she has in comparison to the speaker. Yes, the speaker was very correct in his assessment. Full stop. Now we come to question number 4. What is similar between the two words self-confession and court? What do they suggest? यहाँ पे मैं बताना चाहूँगी this question is very very important. So इसको बहुत ध्यान से आप करिएगा तैयार. Answer is, the words self-confession and court shows that the man has faced racial discrimination because of the color of his skin. It is an irony that he uses the word self-confession as he has done nothing wrong for which he should have to confess. Again, the word caught connotes that some wrong had been done and the speaker was caught committing something illegal. Full stop. By making the man seem sorry for his skin color, the poet shows how ridiculous it is for someone to apologize for the things he is not responsible for. Okay, move to question number 5. How do the words how dark reflect the theme of the poem? Answer is the landlady's questions about the poet's skin color hold significant meaning in revealing her biases and prejudices. Her questions reflect a mindset that reduces individuals to their physical appearance and subscribes to racial stereotypes. Full stop. The landlady focuses on the darkness or lightness of the poet's skin suggests her adherence to colorism, a form of discrimination. Her assumption that darkness implies inferiority reveals her internalized biases influenced by societal norms and beauty standards. Full stop. The question perpetuates the harmful notion of a person's worth being determined by their skin color, reinforcing racial prejudices that marginalize individuals and perpetuate discrimination. Thus, the words how dark truly reflects the theme of racism and prejudice highlighted by the poem. Okay, question number 6 पे आते हैं. How does the speaker feel after the landlady asks him the color of his skin? What does he think about the lady? Answer is the speaker feels embarrassed and humiliated by the landlady's inappropriate question, pushing him to ask for clarification. First stop. He is stunned and feels as if he is being asked to choose between button B and button A as she asks him either dark or light. Full stop. The recurring red imagery to him symbolizes his discomfort and tension in the situation. He describes the landlady's breath rancid, though it is not possible for him to smell her breath. Full stop. It is a metaphor for the landlady's racism that underlies her good breeding. Full stop. The speaker suggests that the landlady, like the children's game of hide and seek, has been hiding her true feelings which she wants to speak about. Full stop. तो आज के सेशन में हम लोग यहीं तक डिस्कस करेंगे. इसमें टोटल 12 क्वेश्चंस है. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 तक इस पार्ट में मैंने डिस्कस किया है. बाकी के पार्ट में पार्ट 2 में क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 to 12 में डिस्कस करूंगी. सो प्लीज़ अगर आप लोगों ने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. आपके लिए और भी बेनिफिशियल वीडियोस मैं लेके आ रही हूँ. लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चंस भी मैं अपलोड करूँगी शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चंस के बाद. सो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करिएगा, शेयर करिएगा अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. लाइक बटन तो प्रेस करना बनता ही बनता है. तो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग चिल्ड्रन. बाय बाय. कीप स्टडी.